Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. I am Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to power tools safety. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly and till the end to get benefits of this video. Types of power tools. Power tools can be hazardous when improperly used. There are several types of power tools based on the power source they use. For example, electric, pneumatic, liquid fuel, and hydraulic. Let's talk about electrical tools. Gloves and safety footwear are recommended during use of electric tools. When not in use, tools should be stored in a dry place. Electric tools should not be used in damp or wet locations. Frayed cords are required to be taken out of service and replaced. Electric cords shall be inspected periodically and kept in good condition. Although no guards are available for drill bits, some protection is afforded if drill bits are carefully chosen for the work to be done, such as being no longer than necessary to do the work. Where the operator must guide the drill by hand, the drill is required to be equipped with a sleeve that fits over the drill bit. 3-wire cords. These cords contain two current carrying conductors and a grounding conductor. One end of the grounding conductor connects to the tool's metal housing. The other end is grounded through a prong on the plug. Anytime an adapter is used to accommodate a two-hole receptacle, the adapter wire must be attached to a known ground. The third prong should never be removed from the plug. Double insulation. This is a more convenient method. The user and the tools are protected in two ways: by normal insulation on the wires inside and by a housing that cannot conduct electricity to the operator in the event of a malfunction. Let's talk about pneumatic tools. Pneumatic tools are powered by compressed air and include chippers, drills, nails, staples, screw guns, hammers, and sanders. There are several dangers encountered in the use of pneumatic tools. The main one is the danger of getting hit by one of the tool's attachments or by some kind of fastener the employee is using with the tool. The operating trigger on portable hand operated utilization equipment shall be so located as to minimize the possibility of its accidental operation and shall be arranged to close the air inlet valve automatically when the pressure of the operator's hand is removed. All pneumatically driven nailers, staplers, and other similar equipment provided with automatic fastener feet which operate a more than 100 psi pressures at the tool shall have a safety device on the muzzle to prevent the tool from ejecting fasteners unless the muzzle is in contact with the work surface. Compressed air shall not be used for cleaning purposes except with an air blow gun limited to 30 psi static pressure at the outlet nozzle and then only with effective chip guard and personal protective equipment. The use of hoses for hoisting or lowering tools shall not be permitted. All hoses exceeding half inch inside diameter shall have a safety device at the source of supply or branch line to reduce pressure in case of hose failure. Airless spray guns of the type which atomize paints and fluids at high pressure 1000 pound or more per square inch shall be equipped with automatic or visible manual safety devices which will prevent pulling of the trigger to prevent release of the paint or fluid until the safety device is manually released. In lieu of the above, a diffuser net which will prevent high pressure, high velocity release while the nozzle tip is removed, plus a nozzle tip guard which will prevent the tip from coming in contact with the operator or other equivalent protection shall be provided. Fuel power tools. All fuel power tools shall be stopped while being refueled, serviced, or maintained, and fuel shall be transported, handled, and stored in approved safety cans. Do not store fuel in plastic bottles. Make sure safety cans are labeled for their contents. Leakage or spillage of flammable or combustible liquids shall be disposed of promptly and safely. When fuel powered tools are used in enclosed spaces, the applicable requirement for concentrations of toxic gases and use of personal protective equipment shall apply. Hydraulic power tools. The fluid used in hydraulic power tools shall be fire resistant and shall retain its operating characteristics at the most extreme temperatures to which it will be exposed. The manufacturer's safe operating pressures for hoses, valves, pipes, filters, and other fittings shall not be exceeded. Importance of guards on power tools. Hazardous moving parts of a power tool need to be safeguarded. For example, belts, gears, shafts, pulleys, sprockets, spindles, drums, flywheels, chains, or other reciprocating, rotating, or moving parts of equipment must be guarded if such parts are exposed to contact by employees. Guards as necessary should be provided to protect the operator and others from the following. Number 1, point of operation. Number 2, in running nip points. Number 3, rotating parts. And number 4, flying chips and sparks. Remember, safety guards shall never be removed when a tool is being used. Safety switches. The following tools are required to be equipped with a constant pressure switch or control that will shut off the power when the pressure is released if they do not have a positive accessory holding means. All handheld powered circular saws having a blade diameter greater than 2 inches. Electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic chainsaws. Striking tools. Let's talk about some general precautions on power tools. The following general precautions should be observed by power tool users. Never carry a tool by the cord or hose. Never yank the cord or the hose to disconnect it from the receptacle. Keep cords and hoses away from heat, oil, and sharp edges. Cords are required to be free of frays, cuts. If the cord is damaged, the equipment shall be removed from service immediately. Post a tag on it. Disconnect tools when not in use. Before servicing and when changing accessories such as blades, bits, and cutters. All observers should be kept at a safe distance away from the work area. Secure work with clamps or a vise, freeing both hands to operate the tool. Avoid accidental starting. The employee should not hold a finger on the switch button while carrying a plugged-in tool. Tools should be maintained with care. They should be kept sharp and clean for the best performance. Follow instructions in the user's manual for lubricating and changing accessories. Thanks once again for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to receive notification regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment and share my videos to encourage me and my team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.